In today's video, I am going to teach you how to renew your SSL certificate in GoDaddy. Start by making sure you are logged into your GoDaddy account and are viewing your account dashboard. From there, go to the My Products section. This area shows the services and products connected to your account. Once you are in My Products, scroll down until you find the SSL certificate section. In that section, look for the SSL certificate service and click Manage next to it. This will open the SSL Manager, where you can view the certificates linked to your account. Inside the SSL Manager, take a moment to review the list of SSL certificates available. Find the specific SSL certificate that you want to renew. After you locate it, click on that certificate to open its details page. On the certificate details page, select the Renew option. This will begin the renewal process. GoDaddy will then guide you through the prompts shown on your screen. Read each prompt carefully and continue through the renewal steps. As you move through the process, review the certificate information that appears. If any details need to be updated, make the necessary changes before continuing. It is important to make sure the information is accurate so the renewal can be completed without issues. If GoDaddy gives you renewal choices, select the option that works best for you. This may include the renewal length or other available settings. After that, review the renewal details one more time. Make sure everything looks correct before you confirm. When you are ready, confirm the renewal details and complete the renewal process. After submission, wait for GoDaddy to process your request. Once the renewal is successful, you should see a confirmation message on the screen. You should also receive a confirmation email from GoDaddy letting you know that the renewal has been completed. At that point, your SSL certificate renewal request has been successfully submitted, and you can return to your account if you need to review the updated certificate status later. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.